Welcome back everyone to KW Ross Patterns. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate to you how to construct an incenter of a triangle. I am going to focus on three main types of triangles, which are the right triangle, the obtuse triangle, and an acute triangle. So an incenter, in order to construct the incenter, we have to do angle bisectors. And I am going to demonstrate right now. I did a tutorial previously on how to bisect an angle. You can go back and watch it, or you can just follow what I am going to demonstrate now. So I have this triangle here labeled QRS, and at each vertex of the triangle, I am going to bisect the angle there. So I'm going to bisect angle RSQ. So I'm going to bisect angle RSQ. So I am going to swing an arc that's going to cut the triangle or the rays that are leading up to the vertex in two different places. I'm going to slide my pointer over to the intersection of the ray and the arc in the open area, and I'm going to swing an arc. I am going to repeat that step, and I'm going to swing another arc here. Where the two arcs intersect, I am going to place a pointer there, and I'm going to next, I am going to draw a line through from the vertex S. Okay. And because I've done that, what you'll notice now is that this angle is going to be congruent to this angle. Okay. Because I've just bisected the angle. Next, I'm going to repeat the step, all the steps from angle Q, or I can say angle RQS, another way of saying it. I just want to make sure that I'm intersecting the two rays, ray SQ and ray RQ. And in the open area, I'm going to draw another arc. I'm going to go over to the other intersection of the arc and the ray, and I'm going to draw another arc. Where two arcs intersect, I'm going to put a dot there, and I am going to draw a line from vertex Q. All right, and next I am going to bisect angle QRS or angle S. So I'm going to bisect angle angle R. Place my pointer here. I'm going to swing an arc in the open area. Swing an arc that's going to cut both rays. In the open area. Sorry, make sure you get it right. In the open area, I'm going to swing another arc. All right. You're going to bisect both. And then I am going to put a dot right here, and I'm now going to line up that intersection of both arcs with my vertex. Okay, line it up properly, and I'm going to draw a line through. And I notice when I draw that line through, all three angle bisectors, once they are going to meet right here in the center. Now, where all three angle bisectors meet, we call that the point of concurrency. Okay, and that point of concurrency is what we label this, or what this is known as an incenter, because this is actually three angle bisectors meeting at a point. And we also have to note, remember, as I said, this angle will be congruent to each once we do an angle bisector, all right, at each of the vertices. And what I want to show you is that you can, so that is the point of concurrency there is the incenter. And the next thing, I can use this center there, the point of concurrency, and I'm going to inscribe a circle And how I'm going to do that, I'm going to extend my pencil right here to where those lines intersect. Each angle bisector intersect the opposite ray, or opposite line segment I should say. And I'm going to inscribe a circle. And when you inscribe a circle, you use the point of concurrency there, and you go towards the edge, and that's only for the incenter. When you're doing it for a circumcenter, is a different method. Okay, yes, you're using the point of concurrency, but it's different. Now, what I want you to know is that yes, this incenter, this is on an acute triangle. Now, if it's being done on a obtuse triangle, this is what it looks like. So this is an obtuse triangle with the incenter right there, all right, meeting in the center. And also, if it is done on a right triangle, this is what it's going to look like. Now, I didn't want to repeat all the steps by demonstrating everything, but the same concept goes. And in total, what I want to say to you is that you can see that they all meet inside of the triangle. They all meet right here inside, right? And you can form a table, and you can literally have the types of triangle here, which would be an acute, right? And you have a right triangle, and lastly an obtuse triangle. That's the three major ones that we're doing. And you can also use this as a guide to remember where they meet. And we're talking now about incenter, right? The incenter. And for all three types of triangles, they meet inside the triangle. The incenter meets inside the triangle. Okay, when I'll do the video on the other types of point of concurrency, such as the circumcenter and the orthocenter, you see something different. So what I want to take away from here, this is a good guide for studying, to know that the different types of triangle and where they meet. And as I said, three angle bisectors. All right, angle bisectors. They all of a triangle, and they all meet at a point we call a point of concurrency, and the point of concurrency is what we call the incenter. All right, the point of concurrency is what we call the incenter for three angle bisectors. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with others, and I will see you on the next video. Bye now.